Ladies and gentlemen, we are back on day 20 of our Earl Nightingale 2 steps to create a miracle in your life. Step 1, choose a specific and measurable goal, write it on a goal card, and read it as often as you can each and every day. Step 2, work harder than you've ever worked before towards that goal. We're here on day 20, which means we are in the home stretch. Do not let off the gas. Do not lighten up. Do not take it easy. Work, work, work. But don't be doing busy work. Don't be doing tasks to look busy. Remember that we talked about already stripping away the inessentials and focusing on what's being effective. I want you taking measured and deliberate progress steps towards your goal. And please let us know in the comments if you guys have some success stories already, because wherever you are now, you are far further along than you would have been if you had not taken this journey with us. Rise and shine, heroes. Your world needs you.